Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a home address in the Citymove application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the home address button. So you can also type your home address, but you can choose it from a map as well. So this is the map of Prague. So just set the little blue sign, and then if you're done, click on the choose this location button, and your home address has been set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.